Hey guys, I'm Madison Lathan, and today we're making the hide and seek baby handprint and footprint keepsake kit. Remove your hide and seek frame and separate the 4 components. With clean hands, open your clay. Don't set it on any surface as the clay will pick up lint and other substances. Work it in your hands for a full 1 minute until it's soft. Put the ball of clay in the center of the backboard. Use the palm of your hand to gently push down on the center of the ball and spread out the clay. Use the roller to make sure the surface is perfectly smooth. You can also choose to use a mug for a better result. After washing your child's hands and feet, spread out the baby fingers and toes and place them on the clay, pressing firmly down for a good impression. Make sure not to have the prints too close to the edges as they could get cut off a little by the frame. If you need a redo, just re-knead the clay with 2 drops of oil. Let the clay dry for a full 4 to 5 days. Do not touch the frame until the clay is dry. When it's dry, it's time for framing. There is one opening for a photo and one for a keepsake. You may have to resize the photo. You can just secure the photo with some tape. I decided to put a little bow in my keepsake opening. Now all you have to do is assemble the frame. And that's it. I hope you enjoy your hide and seek baby handprint and footprint keepsake kit as much as we do.